Hi guys! So it's my 5th time natatakbo. And for today, easy run lang. 1K at 4:53. Let's go! 2K at 5:14. Let's go! 3 km at 5:31. Let's go! Shit! Ang dilim na. Sana wag naman nabutan. Wait lang. This is not good, guys. Naambon na. Ay! Maaabutan na naman ng ulan. Kahit 5K na lang. 4K at 5:13. I had to stop, guys. Umulan na. Ay. Ngayon pa talaga umulan.